fuck on MySpace. Basement's not the way, please don't play. Once he's spinning like a great escape. Ain't no trick or that don't change. I'm fucking out and making love no more. Regarding you, bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving surface, calling on my favorite. How to reach me? Ain't no trick or that don't change. I'm fucking out and making love no more. Regarding you, bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving surface, calling on my favorite. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For all who are new here, I'm Ellen, and yeah, so today I'm just going to be doing like a reset. I just woke up, so again, I didn't just wake up, I was just in bed, but that's why I'm like, yeah. But yeah, so we're just going to be, cleaning and just a little maintenance, like, yeah, for myself, if I can say. But yeah, that's what the agenda for today is. And yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Yeah. Today we're going, I think I'm gonna make this vlog and like spend a few days with me vlog. But today we're going to like an RnB night. It's gonna be fun and stuff, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit quickly because I don't know when else I'm gonna show you my outfit, but this is how I look. I hope you guys can actually see this. This is how I look. I'm not wearing my shoes yet because I'm not leaving now, but I'll show you guys, and I'll actually show you my full outfit before I leave and whatnot. Hi guys, I think the last time was when I was trying to show you my outfit, but I couldn't. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you guys my outfit, but oh my gosh, we had a time. It was good until the last minute where it started getting like a little boring, but we had a time, guys. I genuinely enjoyed it. Was it worth the money I paid? I'm not sure, but it was good. Yeah, now calling it a night, going home,
See you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, I think the last time I left you was the concert, no, the RnB night. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna film my evening, because I wanted to show you guys the one time I actually cook what I made. So yeah, today's menu for dinner is beef stew, mashed potatoes, and broccoli. Yeah, just a little something simple. I was really not sure that I was craving. I think I'm just tired of other meat, and I haven't ate beef in a long time, so I was like, might as well make beef stew. So yeah, let's cook dinner. Hi guys, lol, welcome back. Well, not welcome back, because what is it, like day 3? I don't even know what day it is where I left off. I don't even know how I'm going to put this vlog together, but it will, anyways. I just made breakfast. I made croissants with Avo. If you know me, I love me some Avo, guys. Like, Avo is just so good. Like, there's just, oh my days. Anyways, and coffee. This is gonna be my breakfast, because today we're gonna do my nails. What is that? But yeah, I chipped a nail, and my other ones are growing. This band is actually kind of heavy. But yeah, just going to do my nails. So right now I'm going to chow breakfast, and then yeah, I'll probably catch you guys when I'm on my way to do my nails, and then yeah, so I'll see you then. I'm gonna chow. Yeah, let me put them down, because wow. I'm gonna chow breakfast, and then I'll see you guys later. Okay. you're gonna catch me as I'm going to do my nails. I'm going to do my nails now. Let me show you my outfit because the things I'm wearing. Yo. I hope you can see. Look what I'm wearing. Because guys, but it's cold. In my defense, it's cold and I really don't care. But that's what I'm wearing, my complicated outfit, but it is what it is.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care.